February 11, 2022. Alamin po natin kung ano ang mga highlights ng mga balita sa bansang Pilipinas. Watch this video and find out. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga kabayan at kaibigan. Ako po si Jamey Iris and welcome to Jamey Iris TALK TV where we discuss, talk at pinag-uusapan po ang mga importante at relevant information na makakatulong po sa inyo sa pag-uwi nyo sa Pilipinas at the same time din po mga current events that's happening inside the Philippines and outside the Philippines. Yan po ang ating tinatalakay sa iba't ibang mga videos natin. Gayon din po ang mga tutorials at iba pa pong mga episodes and segments na makakatulong po sa inyo para mas maging successful po sa inyong buhay. Kung ikaw po ay first time ninyo na makapanood po ng aking channel, I'm inviting you to please subscribe to my channel so that you'll get updated with the recent videos that I will be posting. Ganon din po ng mga tutorials at other segments that are upcoming po dito sa aking channel. At syempre, I would like to simply say thank you sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers na palagi at araw-araw pong nanonood. For this specific episode, titingnan po natin ano po ba mga highlights ng mga balita ngayong araw na ito sa Pilipinas. So titingnan po natin simula na po. Ano po ba at gaano kataas na ang DOH po report regarding COVID-19 cases sa ating bansa? Kahapon po maganda ang balita dahil ito ay bumababa ng bumababa. How about for today's report? So let us just take a look at that one. And then we'll take a look at other highlights that is actually happening in our country. Simulan na po natin. Mula po sa DOH, sinabi po nila na kahapon, that is February 10, 2022, ang Department of Health ay nakapagtala po ng 4,575 na karagdagang kaso ng COVID-19. Samantalang mayroon naman po naitala na 7,504 na gumaling at 94 po na pumanaw. Sa kabuang bilang ng mga naitalang kaso sa bansa, 2.6% or 93,307 ang aktibong kaso or 95.9%. 3,479,485 na po ang mga gumaling at meron naman po tayo na 1.51% or 54,783 ang kalungkutan na may kalungkutan po natin na ipinapabatid sa inyo na mga namatay. Mula po sa Inquirer.net, sinabi po ng DILG, they ay dialogue with Cebu government on COVID-19 travel protocols. Kahapon po ibinalita natin na si Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia ay naglabas ng executive order na simula sa March 1 ang mga hindi pa bakunadong dayuhang turista ay maaring makapasok ng bansa sa pamamagitan ng Mactan Cebu International Airport or MCIA. Gayon pa man, ito ay salungat sa patakaran ng IATA for the Management of Emerging Infectious Diseases na ang mga dayuhang papasok sa ating bansa as per IATF ay dapat magpakita ng patunay na sila ay fully vaccinated laban sa COVID-19. Ayon kay DILG Undersecretary and Spokesperson Jonathan Malaya, this is not the first time that a similar predicament had happened. It already happened in the past, but we were able to resolve that amicably with the province of Cebu. So I think the course of action moving forward is to do again another dialogue with the province of Cebu so that they can conform with the policies of the national government. Dagdag pa po niya, the local governments may tweak if the policy is unclear or if the national policy allows them to go beyond what is provided. But in this case, the policy is very clear as to the entry of individuals to the country. And that is, foreign nationals should be fully vaccinated. So we'll wait for the updates, everyone, regarding the progress. So will MCIA or will Cebu actually be allowed? Or will they really be allowing unvaccinated foreign tourists to fly in their province? So we'll wait for further updates of what will be happening after this dialogue actually had happened. From the business world, let us just take a look. Dumako naman po tayo sa balita regarding airline industry. Sinabi po ng IATA, it calls for more Philippine action to restore air travel confidence and of course, revive the airline industry. Sinabi po ng International Air Transport Association or IATA na sa kabila ng pagbubukas ng bansang Pilipinas para sa mga dayuhan ay kinakailangan ng mas maraming hakbang upang palakasin ang kumpiyansa ng mga pasahero sa paglalakbay sa himpapawid. Ayon kay Philip Go, Regional Vice President ng IATA para sa Asia Pacific, it is good for the aviation community and will facilitate the recovery of the aviation industry and the tourism sector. We urge other Asia-Pacific governments to look at similarly easing their travel restrictions and join this growing momentum we are seeing in the region during the past several weeks. We also urge the Philippine government to take the following additional actions. Number one, make permanent the standardization of measures and exemptions of quarantine. Number two, improving from the current temporary suspension. Number three, accept antigen tests for pre-departure testing. And number four, recognize digital vaccination certificates. And lastly, testing certificates that are presented on digital platforms such as IATA Travel Pass. Now, it is through greater liberalization from air travel restrictions that aviation and travel businesses and indeed economies can advance to fully recover from the 2 years of extreme hardship. Yan po ay galing sa ating airline industry. Now, how about po? Kamustahin naman natin ang pagbubukas ng Pilipinas para sa mga foreign travelers. 7,000 pong arrivals at the start of the PH reopening to foreign travelers, according to the Philippine News Agency. Dahil sa muling pagbukas ng Pilipinas para sa foreign travelers simula kahapon, February 10, 2022, sinabi po ng Bureau of Immigration sa isang pahayag na ang mga papasok na international traveler ay tumaas po mula sa 4,816 noong Miyerkules hanggang halos po 7,000 kahapon. Kasama na po ang mga overseas Filipino workers. Aniya na ang karamihan ng mga ito ay mga Filipino habang nasa 27% naman po ang mga dayuhan. Dagdag pa po ni Bureau of Immigration spokesperson Dana Sandoval na sila ay naniniwala na ang mga unang darating ay ang mga pamilya, partner at mahal sa buhay ng mga Filipinos na matagal nang naghihintay ng pagkakataon na muling magkasama-sama. Sa kabilang banda, inaasahan ni Commissioner Jaime Morente na ang bilang ng maaring tumaas sa 10,000 hanggang 12,000 po arrivals kada araw sa mga susunod na buwan. Pahayag din po niya na sana ay maging maayos na po ang lahat ng pagharap natin sa new normal at ito ay simula na po ng pagbangon ng industriya ng turismo. Ang manpower po ng Bureau of Immigration ay nasa buong persa para sa pagdagsa sa mga papasok na manlalakbay matapos po ang halos 2 taong pagsasara dahil sa pandemya. Yan po ang mga balita natin sa araw na ito, February 11, 2022. Mga kabayan, tumaas ng kaunti po ang COVID cases dito sa Pilipinas. Looking forward na slight change lang naman ito at bumaba na po by tomorrow. And at the same time po, katulad ng nasabi po natin, I agree naman din po with IATA. How about you? Na talagang, kumbaga nga sabi nila is, panatilihin na po yung standardization when it comes to, of course, our flight travel. At the same time, sana po lesser restrictions na when it comes to travel. And when it comes to accepting po yung sinasabi nilang digital certificate. So looking forward, our government can actually look into this. And just like what was mentioned a while ago, so let us wait and see what will be the outcome of the dialogue of DILG with our Cebu governor regarding its plan to open MCIA for unvaccinated tourists. And at the same time, it's great to know, last but not the least, kamusta naman po? Kayo po ba'y isa sa mga foreigner? Are you one of the foreigners who were actually able to go back to the Philippines yesterday? So we're simply so glad that a lot of travelers actually arrived in the Philippines yesterday, and looking forward that again, as days passes by, lalo pong sumigla ang ating turismo, at ganun din po, marami po mga foreign travelers na may mahal sa buhay dito sa Pilipinas ay makapiling po ang kanilang mga kapamilya or kung hindi naman po, mga loved ones. With that, mga kabayan at kaibigan, if you find this video helpful, please click like, and at the same time, I'm inviting you to please subscribe to my channel. This is Jamey Iris TALK TV, so that you'll get updated with the recent video that we have for travel updates, or kung hindi naman po mga balita like this, we summarize, we gather yung mga top highlights po sa mga balita na talaga naman po makaka-relate po kayo as a traveler or someone who is living outside the Philippines, kasi we're trying to definitely give you, the summary of it. At syempre may mga tutorials po tayo at mga iba pang episode that will actually give you more information and help you out to become more successful. So once again, everyone, I am Jamey Iris, your TV host who's saying, saan man po tayong dako ng mundo, mga Filipino po tayo, kaya taas dapat ang ating mga noo. So with that, mga kabayan at kaibigan, may God bless you. Stay safe and stay healthy.